If your price sits just above a common search filter, you're invisible. Buyers never even see you. Tonight, we're unmasking Montreal's price band cliffs so your listing doesn't get ghosted. Today, I want to give a huge shout out to Le Studio Canes, located in the South Shore of Montreal, hosted by Robin Flynn. She's absolutely amazing at everything that she does. If you're looking for help with your podcast or short form video, please reach out to them. You can hit them up on their website, lestudiocanes.ca. Without further ado, I'm LJ Aguinaga with LJ Realties. Instead of guessing a number and hoping, we're going to engineer visibility by pricing inside the bands that buyers actually use when they search. I'll show you how filters create visibility cliffs, real examples of repositioning that works, and a zombie listing recovery if your days on market is already scary. By the end, you'll know where to price your property in order to be found, when to adjust, and how to turn a seen by none into showings and offers. A price band is simply the bucket buyers use in their search filters. Think $450,000 to $500,000, or $950,000 to $1 million. Or $1 million to $1.25 million. Portals and email alerts are built on bands. If you list at $505,000, you're outside of the $450,000 to $500,000 filter, and you miss the very buyers shopping that band. That's a visibility cliff. Psychology piles on. Buyers anchor on round numbers: $500,000, $750,000, $1 million. A price just above a round anchor often gets fewer clicks and tours than a price just inside of it. When we set price, we start with three lenses. First, comparables, both sold and active. We're looking to see what price similar homes actually traded at and which band they lived in when they sold. Second, search heat, the band where most buyer alerts are set for your asset type in your area. Third, feature fit, whether your home truly belongs in the inventory at the higher band or shines as the best in class at the lower one. If two lenses say go lower band, that's our signal to price inside the busier filter, not above it. Now, let's look at tricks versus treats. What works versus what backfires. Treats that work are landing inside a high traffic filter. For example, $499,000 instead of $505,000. Using a discovery window. Start inside the band, test market response for 7 to 10 days, then adjust it if you need more reach. Choosing $500,000 versus $499,000 based on the portal. Some filters are equal to or less than $500,000, so $500,000 might outperform $499,900 on certain sites. When supply is thin, strategic underpricing to trigger multiple tours fast is a strategy that works when you have a solid plan behind it. Tricks to avoid are pricing just above a major filter, chasing the market with tiny drops that never cross into a new band, letting days on market climb without a band change. The algorithm stops surfacing you. Let me show you how repositioning the band changes the outcome. Case A, a $505,000 condo. Let's move that to $499,000. At $505,000, you're invisible to everybody searching equal to or less than $500,000. Slide to $499 and you cross into the busiest band for first-time buyers. The expected effect is more saves, more tours, better offers, and better velocity. Case B, $1.02 million townhome. There's two options. Drop to $999,000 to land inside the equal to or less than $1 million filter, or stay at $1.02 million, but reposition the feature stack. Lead with the top three differentiators to retarget the exact buyers in the $1 million to $1.1 million price band. Our rule of thumb is, if showings are thin, the band is the first lever to pull on. If showings are strong but offers are weak, messaging and feature hierarchy need work. Now, case C, investor brackets. Investors scroll by payment and yield. A small price change that drops monthly payment into a psychological comfort line with today's rates can move a listing from background noise to inquiry. Pair the price band with a pro forma card, rents, expenses, multipliers, etc. So qualified buyers self-select. If your listing has gone stale, this is when days on market is high and traffic is low, here's the zombie recovery plan. First, do a band reset. Move into the next lower/high traffic filter. Second, headline rewrite. Open with the band defining feature. Top floor, parking, terrace, turnkey. Third, hero photo swap. Lead with the most clickable angle. Kitchen, terrace, or view. Fourth, feature order. First 5 bullets must disqualify the wrong buyer and attract the right one. Fifth, re-syndication timing. publish the refresh during the highest traffic window for your target, as in Monday morning to ramp up marketing for the weekend open house, or Friday morning to catch the weekend shoppers. For buyers, price bands are an opportunity. Look for just below filter listings and re-entered refreshes. These often represent motivated sellers or new visibility. At a band edge, a strong terms package, think clean dates, deposit, inspection, or timing, can beat a slightly higher priced offer. Late October into early November in Montreal can be a quiet but serious window. Fewer casual tours, more ready buyers. It's a great time to reposition a listing into the right band and pick up qualified traffic before the holidays, no costumes required. Here are a few common mistakes I see. Pricing just above a major filter because we need room to negotiate. Micro drops that never cross into a new band. Keeping a weak hero photo and expecting different results. Ignoring investor math in investor bands. No pro forma equals fewer saves. Waiting too long. Days on market kills urgency unless you make a band move. Before we conclude, let me end with our 3 rules. Rule number 1, price inside the band your buyer actually searches. Rule number 2, if you're stale, change the band, not just the number. Rule number 3, align photos, headline, and features to the new band. Don't do a half reset. Price bands decide who even sees your home. When you land inside the right band, you get found, toured, and offered on. If your listing is stalling, or you're prepping to list in November, book a quick pricing call with me and my team. We'll pick the right band and map a refresh plan that actually gets you seen. Thank you so much for watching. I look forward to catching you on next week's video.